How to change email on EA account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open ea.com and then click on Profile located at top right. And here you will find Sign In option. Click on Sign In and sign in to your EA account. After you've signed in, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on your profile on top right and then click on Account Settings. Scroll down in Account Information. In Account Information, you will find Email Address. Click on Edit. After you click on Edit, simply click on Send Code, as you will need to verify your identity. After it's sent, go to Email and then paste it code. After that, you can simply change your email address and then press on Send Code. Code will be sent to your email address. Copy the code and paste it. After that, your email address will be changed. And this is how to change email on EA account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.